Good morning everyone. It's 6 in morning and we are currently in Tirupati bypass. We are traveling to Guruvayur today with my wife. When we both have free time, we often make unplanned trips like this. In this video, we will cover how to travel from Tirupati to Guruvayur, history, culture, temple timings, best food around and best time for the year to visit and nearby places, etc. Guruvayur Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Guruvayurappan, a form of Vishnu located in Thrissur, Kerala, India. Guruvayur Krishna is worshipped as a baby form of Lord Krishna, also Guruvayurappan or Unikanan. It is also called Dwarika of South as it has a direct link to Dwarika. As you can see, the morning view is stunning with the lush greenery covering the hills and the surrounding of the road. Enjoy the view. The idol itself is of four-armed Vishnu, representing the full manifestation of the deity that Krishna showed to his parents with after his birth, but is popularly conceived as baby Krishna. We are currently in Tirupati bypass NH 140, which will lead to Chittoor. Then we will head towards Vellore, Salem, Coimbatore, and then finally to Thrissur. It's 12 hours journey from Tirupati, covering 600 plus kilometers. It is very cloudy as no traces of sun, but it's very scenic. Almost crossed Chittoor and near to Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu border. The road has been smooth to this point, but once you reach Chittoor, it switches to a cement surface which creates more road noise. Take a right from under the bridge towards the border. As you can see, the highway narrows from 4 lane to a single lane near the border with several potholes and slower moving traffic. We are in Vellore city and have faced some traffic on the way from Bodum. Now we have to take a left from here to connect back to NH 48. We have always completed this journey non-stop. We have always completed this journey non-stop in about 12 hours, taking only short breaks for food and washrooms. Most of the route consists of 6 lane highways with a few stretches of 4 lane roads. Since it's a Deepavali holiday period, we are expecting heavier traffic and larger crowd at the temple, especially at its coincide with the first day of the Malayalam month Tulam. And now it's drizzling a bit. Reached Krishnagiri, now we have to take left towards NH44. Right will lead to Bangalore. Since we are on time, now even we took a small break for breakfast. We have got downgraded from 6 lane to 4 lane until Salem, which shows 115 kilometers away. Estimated time is 2 hours. It has started raining now and the weather feels much better. Since we are expecting a large crowd this time, we begin checking for timing when the temple might be having less busy. Guruvayur Temple open from 3 am to 9 pm with some special pujas taking place at night. This seems to be a regular part of the season. We also learned that visiting on weekdays helps avoid heavy rush as weekends tend to be very crowded. There is no token system required for the regular darshan, which is convenient and anyone can join the queue. However, from the faster darshan, there is a special ticket option called as special darshan, which costs around 1000 per person. There are also dedicated queue for the elderly devotees that starts at 4 am. It's a beautiful route offering glimpse of the Western Ghats, but in the colors of sunset, though it is a single lane and quite risky at times. At this point, we reach Coimbatore and it's 5 pm now. We experienced light drizzling throughout the stretch after Krishnagiri, but it wasn't a problem and the traffic remains minimal. Enjoy the view at Western Ghats, and you can see a few hills on the far right, looking especially stunning in the evening light. We reached Guruvayur at 7:30 pm since my cam battery died, unable to record route further. After Kerala border, we travelled 80 kilometers. Then we have to take a ride towards Thrissur and reach near east gate of the temple. Since we booked a stay near to west gate, so we travelled to the hotel. The stay was good and the room were clean. They have parking spot. It was easy to park our GV. We quickly had bath and had dinner and took rest. We went for regular darshan around 3 am in the next day. The queue was already quite long and we waited until 6 am for the darshan to begin as morning pujas were taking place inside the temple. Despite the heavy crowd and the darshan experience was good, we completed it by around 8 am and then we went to collect the prasad. The pal paisam here is very popular and we brought it from the prasad counter, which also had a long queue. I did recommend bringing your own container for the prasad before joining the line, otherwise you may have to stand in queue again to get one, which can be time consuming. I did suggest that the Devasam board, the temple trustee, includes the cost of the container along with the paisam so devotees don't have to arrange one separately. Please note, mobile phones, cameras, footwears are not allowed inside the temple, but there are separate counters to deposit them for a very nominal fee. For men, wearing dhoti or mund is mandatory, while women are required to wear sari, skirt and blouse or churidar. Western outfits are strictly prohibited. After darshan, we went for local shop for breakfast, which is adjacent to the temple in market, and had our food, which is very tasty. We had only dosha, idli and vada in our breakfast and were nominal costed. Did some shopping from the market and came back hotel to rest. Since we have to travel back, so took power nap and head back to Kochi via same route. You can find the details of Kochi route in the description in the top right side. The trip was superb and enjoyable. See you in our next video log. Until then, travel safely, wear your helmet, stay within the speed limit and always wear a helmet while riding a motorcycle, both for riders and co-passenger. Take care.